Hey guys, welcome to another Division 2 video. Today I'll be doing the elimination of hostiles with weak point kills, and I will show you how I've been doing it and doing it quickly. So let's get into the build first. So I'm wearing 4 hardwired pieces to get the talent for the backpack, which is whenever you use or cancel a skill, your other skill is automatically refreshed and increases total skill damage and repair by 10% for 20 seconds. This can occur once per 20 seconds. So that's the talent that I want. And I'm also using the Firefly with the Demolisher Firefly skill. The Demolisher Firefly damages or destroys enemy weak points, skill, proxies, and environmental explosions. So that's what I'm using. So as you can see, this is all skill build. Skill damage on everything. Skill damage, skill haste. Skill damage. Because you don't really need to pack skill haste with this, because when you break one skill, then the other skill come back. So just put skill damage. So that's the basic build, as you can see. So let's get into some gameplay. So I do the mission here in New York called Parkway Park. Has a lot of cleaners, and on the cleaners back are some explosive tanks. When the Firefly hits it, it will explode and then kill the cleaners. I do it on story mode, so they're easier to kill. So let me show you what I do with the Firefly. So if I raise the Firefly, I don't really have to wait for it to cool down. I just take off my shield, put it back on, and the Firefly comes back. There we go, can mark them. Okay, that one doesn't have a weak point, so just kill him. One's back there. And I would say if you reach this point and you're not getting any more kills, just go to your menu and press triangle, set difficulty, and just restart. Because you don't really want to play the entire mission to get kills. So I'm going back in. That's it, guys. Challenge completed. So that's how you get the kills, guys. So hopefully you can get your kills also, and have fun. And I will catch you guys in the next one.